How to pin multiple locations on your Google Map. To do that, simply go on the Google Map on your phone. Make sure that you have signed in with your account from here. And now simply choose any location by just pressing on it. And then tap on Save button. Now what you should do is tap on the new list and name the list anything you want to. For example, I name it Tribe and tap on the Create button. So this is one location that I've located. Now go back on the location, and once again you can just tap onto any other location that you want to head to, and again tap on Save button. Now add this location to the same list that we created, that is Tribe, and click on the Done button. Now let's see if the map shows both locations or not. So just go back and click this Crush button. And now you can see there are two circles with square on them, which is of green color. These two are the locations that we just located. So not only two, we can create as much as location that we want to. And after finishing your destination, heading to your destination, you can even delete this. For that, you can simply go on the Save. And the three vertical dots given on the right side of Tribe, when you click on them, you will see the option of Delete List. And click on Delete button. And now when you go on your Google Map, you will not see the place that you just located. So here you can see the two circles with square on them have been deleted. So yes, this is how you pin multiple locations. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.